Welcome to the third lesson of the series called Bangla Dictionary. Today's letter is E. This is known as Hrosho E, which means short E. There are two E sounds in Bangla, short E and long E. In this speech, you will not hear any difference. Both of the E sounds are pronounced in the same way. However, you need to maintain the difference in the written script. What is E? This is the third letter in Bengali alphabet. The IPS symbol for this E sound looks like this. You can hear this sound in some English words like
pin, meet, tin. Pin.
In the IPA chart, this E sound is named as near front unrounded vowel. Now let's listen to a native speaker. E, 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 E. Let's learn a Bangla word which begins with the letter E. It. The word it means brick. It, 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 it. Let's listen to a native speaker now. Let's learn another word, Ein. We can see that the letter E is the middle letter of this word, Ein, which means law. Let's listen to a native speaker now. Ein, Ein, Ein. Here in this word, the letter E is the last letter of the word, boy, which means book. Let's listen to a native speaker now. Boy, 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 boy. Now we will learn the diacritic. So the letter E has a diacritic for it. This is how the diacritic for the E sound looks like. In Bangla, this is known as ikar. When a vowel sound follows a consonant or a consonant cluster, it is written with a diacritic which, depending on the vowel, can appear before, after, above or below the consonant. These vowel signs cannot appear without a consonant. These vowel signs are known as kar. Let's have a look at a word which uses the diacritic. Timi. This diacritic always appears on the left of the letter which it is connected to. For example, here the E diacritic appears on the left and the consonant tha is followed by the diacritic. The meaning of the word timi is well. Let's listen to a native speaker. Timi, timi, timi. Let's have a look at another word and we will understand it better. Like here, iti. So this is the letter E and this is the diacritic E which is connected to the consonant tha. So it is pronounced as iti and the meaning of this word is the end. Iti, iti, iti. One useful rule to know about the letter E and the diacritic, that the letter E and the diacritic E are mainly used for Bengali words and words that directly came from foreign languages. For example, insan. Insan means human. Library. Iran. Dadi. These words are written with the short E and short E diacritic. Another rule is the E diacritic or the vowel sign mainly used for the words which end with ali or aboli. So these are some suffixes called ali or aboli and these are always written with the short vowel sign. For example, Shonali, Mitali. That's all about the letter E for now. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful. Bye.